border already.
The mountain. It's a border.
But there's another part of Inland Sea, right?
Yes.
Like on the other side. Yes, exactly. This is the closest one.
This is
Ay, mag-picture ta sa dagat.
Yeah.
it's nearby, but we cannot go because it's a border. It's
Border.
up. Yeah, because the government they make it this one area for tourism.
For tourism. Is it high tide?
Highlight. Dagat na guys. Saudi yun. Di ba, lovers? Di ba, laki sa daurahan nila doon dito, oh. What's that yet? What is that? Sige, describe. I don't know.
Let's go for the shell.
No? Siya lang niya po, ay. Bakit? Kasi gusto mo, maparingan na oh. Ay, kasi ba?
Di ba mag-high tide?
Oo, dadun. Maabot daw dito ang dagat, oh. So, unas kibalik ka ron. Low tide. Oh, makita na view. Hi guys! Ano, naka-plaster na ta. Hello!
Naka-plaster na dyan.
Mabuhay ka dirite?
Pero na eh, kuan, pero na eh. Hindi na, baka ng pinakabuan ba, narap.
Ah, kontrata.
Ha? Oo, basta ako. Kung din yun, kuan ha, Pattaya, US dollar. Oo.
May tubig sa desierto ba? Naman eh. Hindi pa di ay pa-oil pa di ang gas. For air. Mga kami so excited.
So, passports na yan or
This one if you modify the car and then you do drifting and then
Lifting and flipping.
yeah.
is there any like an entrance?
No, free.
Ay, free?
In desert,
Why do you put some fence on it?
like what?
Like this one?
Because
You're
this
not allowed
one-
to go inside or
This one for the sports car.
Ah, sports car.
Because now, before we do many things in desert, we do like then we go up like.
Yeah.
Now we cannot do anything because there is a cameras. For that one, they make it this area. But anybody,
Why are you guys not allowed to do that?
because many cars flip,
Okay.
so that's why many people were.
So they're not allowing that anymore.
Yeah.
avoid
Putting some fun. Now we go to the camel.
Our last stop will be the camel. Or
If you guys need ATV, then we will stop in ATV. If you
Ah.
guys no need, then we will.
okay. So, sino may gusto magkuan? Sakay ng ATV. Picture lang. How much?
Just depend on the size,
Ah,
not the body size. Depend on the bike size.
ay, the camel.
It's like the horror kind of like.
Here in the camel, how much? The ride?
It's one person 30 riyal.
Ah, 30.
Yeah.
Hi, camel! Ah. Oo, hi, camel.
Yeah.
Okay. 30. Ang camel.
There is a camel.
Ah.
There is a tea shop. Anybody wanna drink tea, milk tea, red tea?
Ah.
Yes. And this is the washrooms over here. So
Okay, thank you. Right na! Yeah, joy! Hi, met the camel. Nice meeting you, camel. Go, go, go. How to ride? Sakay na, camel.
ano ang ginagawa?
Okay ka lang, Tin? Pwede lang mag-camera, no? Basta lang dumawin. No problem.
Okay, tayo.
Wait. Okay. Ay, what? Wait. Grabe kataas na. Kataas ni Jaga. Wait. Yay, okay na ka mo, guys. Hello, Tin.
Where I'm going?
Wait. Wait. Lala. Alam mo, duk. Hey, brother. How can I take the picture? Slowly, brother. Yeah, tigidig. Hey, brother, wait. Aray, struggling. Diba si matumba taan eh. Hey, brother, no. Wait. Oh, wait, sir. Hey. Brother, wait. I'm taking a video. Okay, ganit. That's it, brother. Slowly. Sige na. Pogi ka.
Sino po?
Ay, come on in, brother. Ay, how about this camel? Wait. There's love. Ay, maganda kami. Ay, video, brother, can you take us a video? A picture only? Is it video? It man? To my vlog. Hi! Ay, Popo brother. Thank you, Camel.
Thank you. Sakto na dahil
Thank you, brother.
satisfied. Ano, may kamil na ba? Ang lag. Ako likod mo. Nagkabasbas.
Camel.
May kamil.
Choose which one is good. This one is delicious.
This is like their house. Same, yeah. Same like this.
Earlier.
When we went there, this area,
It is only like a few minutes only to cross the Saudi or no? 30 minutes only.
yeah, in the seaside. But no, you cannot go because there is big sharks.
Mas gatan ka pa.
What I give discount ako?
How we choose?
Oh, what's that?
Balkon, ganun ka oh.
Carrier, how do you need? Same.
Hi, Falcon. Hi, Falcon.
All of them take big step.
Hi, Falcon.
Kapatikan ka ayo. Pero ang mga
Timing jud big kuan. Hi guys. Bye guys. Diba? Natagam na sa kami. Check na yan. Happy